Hello, class, and welcome to our last lecture series on international finance. And I'm your instructor, Jamal Haither. So, today is our review and paper pattern class. So, we have covered all the course material, and I have uploaded all the solution files for the assignment from time to time. So, if you don't have or you missed something, so please do message in the group, and if somebody has it, please upload again and help your classmates as well. Okay, I have already uploaded the reading material, the textbook material, chapter wise, and I have also uploaded the practice question as well. Okay, if you still don't have it, please log on to your Blackboard account over there, and I have pasted all the practice questions over there. So do practice for those questions or those concepts which we have covered in the class. Okay, our final exam is going to be on 30th of December, right? And do remember that when we started this lecture, the first lecture, this subject, we devised a course policy, and we said that the assignment is going to be 30%, class participation, your attendance, your behavior, your Q&A, class participation activities, right? They're going to be of 10%, midterm 30%, and final 30%, right? And paper pattern is the same as what we have experienced in midterm, part 1 and part 2. So part 1 consisted like 80%, and part 2 consisted of like 20%, right? 20%, right? So MCQs, true, false, questions gonna be there, and part 2 gonna be the case studies, which normally we have seen in our assignments. These kind of, in which you need to determine the profit, the strategies, giving commenting on the answers, devising the strategies like that. So like conversions, this kind of stuff. Okay, only 20%, right? And remember, this is going to be time bound. So we're going to have a time restriction because we want to narrow down the possibilities of copying and cheating so that we can have a fair and just evaluation of each and every student. Okay, so I hope you won't mind giving me a very tight control over part 1. Of course, I would be uploading the solution files so that everybody is on the same standard. So all you need to do, just write your name on the solution file and try typing the answers. That's it. So a smart strategy is you first solve the the answers on a paper and just copying those things and writing down on solution file. That's it. That is a smart strategy and very quick strategy. Or if you are comfortable with that, so on one side of the screen you can open the solution file, on the other side of the screen you can open the part 1, and if you are sure, just write it down the answer over there. You can use ePen, you can type as well. I don't mind in part 1, but part 2 must be hand written. Either you use this electronic pen, or either you can submit like assignments. You do it on the rough page, you take a picture, paste it into a Word file, and then send it to me as part 2. Don't forget to write your name, student ID as a file name, so that I cannot mix up, or maybe the file is overwrite, so you will lose marks. Okay? Any question regarding paper pattern?
No questions, sir.
Oh, good. Marilyn. Ping Ping.
No questions.
Fabian. Not and Janlab.
I have a question.
Sure.
The content we have to review, is it all the semester or just the second part?
That was just my next slide here.
Okay.
The chapter is going to be after mid what we have covered. So we have covered after mid chapter 5, chapter 6, 7, 8, and 9. Right? So that's going to be
5, 6,
after
8.
mid. Wait a second. So Fabian, can you turn off your mic? Okay. So we have covered after mid these 5 chapters, right? So do consider reviewing these 5 chapters. I have already uploaded those who joined this lecture late. I have already uploaded the practice questions on WeChat as well, I think last week. And also the practice questions are already been uploaded to our Blackboard discussion form, Blackboard study form over there. So you can just download from there as well. And only practice those questions which we have studied during the class. Okay, all the lecture links are already been uploaded on the both platform, Blackboard and the WeChat. You can consult your Blackboard to download those links, or you can go through your chat, our group chat. You can scroll over there and download. Everything is presented on, including the lectures PPT, including the reading material, including the video lectures links. Everything is over there, right? And the solution files I already uploaded, all of them from time to time. If you don't have, please consult your or write it on the group and ask your student fellow if somebody has. So please upload. Okay. So after mid gonna be included in your final exam. So that's the final note from my side. I have a wonderful class this year, and this class is, I have to say, more intelligent and more, you can say that, analytical than my earlier classes with the international finance. So I have a very nice and deep understanding of question and answer. So I would say that I was quite lucky to teach you guys, and it was quite you can enjoy as well when the class is quite participative. So I really enjoyed with you guys. And any question regarding or any concept you want me to review right now, I would be able to review. Or if you're going to watch the videos, what videos are already uploaded, you can revisit the links and you can watch that. Right? So let me ask one by one. Any question you have, Fabian, regarding the review?
Not yet.
Okay, Crystal?
No question is very clear. Thank you.
Not?
Not really, but for our format, is it gonna be the same as last time for our midterm?
I don't understand. What did you say? Can you please repeat?
For the exam format, is it gonna be the
Yes,
same
yes, yes.
as?
Part one and part two is the same.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So let me repeat. We have already discussed this. Let me repeat.
Yes,
Part
yes.
one is going to be 80% MCQs, true, false, and part two gonna be the 20%. So they're going to be like 4 to 5 case study questions. You need to find out, the strategies, find out the conversion. It's like that. We did that and covered interest arbitrage, international parities, cross rates, triangular arbitrage, this kind of locational arbitrage. So we have done that. These kind of very small questions going to be there. It won't be taking too long, but majority going to be, because I told you I'm going to be testing your concepts, because all those stuff, there are softwares inside, and everything is there. You just put values and the software going to give you the values. The real thing is when if you are able to interpret those values, so it means the testing knowledge requires testing concepts, not the numerical question and you have no clue what are these, right? So my philosophy is that when you graduate, so after even 5 years, you have some idea that we have discussed, and the background knowledge. So that's what my goal is. So Jalab,
No question.
Lota, Doctor, can you hear me? Okay, Ping Ping.
No questions, sir.
Okay, Marilyn
No question, sir.
and Kathleen.
Sir, I don't have any questions about the test, but I do have a question about the homework, the assignment.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Ah.
You sure?
Okay.
Sure.
My question is for question 1 and 2. You asked about arbitrage and calculating the profit. I didn't
I got
understand
it.
it, but I saw the
Let me.
solution.
Okay.
Could you explain that?
Yeah, sure. Let me
Thank
just
you.
finalize this presentation, and then I will be answering your question. So that's all from my side, and wish you good luck for your final exam. So Kathleen, you please stay tuned, and I would be just finalizing the comments. So everybody who is watching or who is present here, so I want you to please record a 2 to 3 minutes video message for me, how you find this class, and how you find this contents interesting, up to date or not, how you understand, and how I made you, understand the things. Okay. So regarding the assignments, I already told you at the start of this lecture that I'm going to be uploading the solution files as well, so you can compare your answers. And if you find anything inside the assignment, so we can discuss that, right? So that's just a short message from my side. So please, I want you to record a very short video, 2 to 3 minutes, regarding the experience, regarding the knowledge of international finance, and anything if you want to contribute to this one. Okay, that's all from my side and for our today's review lecture. So good luck for your exam, and exam is on 30th of December. Okay, until then, take care. Bye bye.